In this video, I will show you how I reset the schedule reminder on the BMW K1600. Links will be in the description for everything I use today. To complete this job, I will be using an Android tablet, my OBD Link MX, and a connector to go from the BMW plug to the OBD plug. As you can see, the service light is on. To access the terminal that we need to hook up to, we're going to have to remove the seat. Here is the terminal that we need to access. It does have a cover on it, so you just twist the cover off. You're going to take the adapter and you're going to connect it to this port. There we go. It can be tough to get this on. Now we're going to take our OBD Link MX Plus. We're going to connect it to the OBD side. And we should have some lights blinking here. And that tells me we have power and we can link up to the tablet. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our tablet. We're going to open up the Moto Scan app. I don't know if you can see this too well. Now, to be able to reset the computer schedule timer, you're going to have to pay for the app. The light version or the free version will not allow you to do it. We're going to go into K-Series, GTL, instrument cluster. Now the OBD link is already hooked up to my tablet via Bluetooth. I'm going to go to service reset. And you will see this screen here. I don't know if you're seeing it well. Now you got your reset service reminder. My mileage is set at 10,000 or 1 year. Now you can go in, you can change that if you want to. You can do it at 8,000 instead of 10, whatever you like to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to 5,000. Or 1 year from now. So I'm going to hit reset on the 5,000. And I'm going to hit reset for another year. And we're all set. Now I'm just going to back out. We can go ahead, remove, and we're going to put the cover back on the connector and put it back in place. Now I can put the seat back in place. Don't forget to hook up your connector for the seat warmer. And we'll put the seat back. Now we're going to turn the bike back on. The interval service light is now off. And that's pretty much all there is to resetting that interval service light on the BMW K1600. Links are down below in the description area for the OBD adapter, the connector, and I'll throw a link in for this tablet. This is just a cheap Chinese brand Android tablet. I had to get this because the Moto Scan app only runs on Android. Now that Moto Scan app is pretty cool. There's a lot of things you can do with it. Be careful. You don't want to go in and change settings on the bike by accident and messing things up. The app itself, you do have to pay for the professional version. The free version will not allow you to do much at all. But the good news is it's almost $27 for the professional version of the app, which is pretty cheap considering if you took it to the dealer, it would cost you a ton more money just to reset a light. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.